you. My whole life falls in line.
Bore da, good morning. I've come to this traditional 3-bedroom farmhouse near Abersoch on the Llyn Peninsula. So there are 2 double bedrooms and 1 smaller bedroom with bunk beds in it, so sleeps 6 altogether. It's pet friendly, there's a real fire in the lounge, and we've got this fantastic hot tub outside as well. Great spot for a holiday. We're on a working farm, so lots to see and do here. We're about halfway between Abersoch and Aberdaron, so you know, a popular spot in the summer especially. Lots of sandy beaches and hidden coves around. But let's go and do the usual tour first.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love, it changes who I am. I am undone. And I thank God once again. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey, a promise that I'll never leave. And when it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me. I get to love.
See you in a bit.